Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 23, 2024. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 19, 2024, our system has ranked Apple as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 1.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Apple's stock has shown natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 1.89%. This means that on average, the stock has been generating a return of 0.63% per day since it was classified as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently experiencing a moderate upward trend. While it may be weak, there are indications that it will continue to rise. Looking at the past 3 months, there is a potential 7.62% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. The return could range from -0.283% to 12.49%. In the next 12 months, the trend suggests a 23.82% change, with a potential return between 11.69% and 28.14%. This means that the stock price could range from $218 to $250.11 after a year. Our latest update on Apple's stock includes the headline, Apple stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold/accumulate after Tuesday's trading session. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, January 23, 2024, the Apple stock price increased by 0.665%, going from $193.89 to $195.18. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this positive trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 0.99%, reaching a low of $193.83 and a high of $195.75. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances and has increased by 5.18% over the last 2 weeks. On the most recent trading day, the volume decreased by 14 million shares, with a total of 42 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $8.21 billion. It is important to note that a decline in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Apple stock reached $199.62, while the lowest price was $138.81. Currently, the price is 2.22%, or $4.44, lower than the 52-week high and 14.49%, or $33.08, lower than the all-time high on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Today, we'll be discussing analyst ratings for Apple Incorporated stock, AAPL. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, Bank of America Securities upgraded Apple and gave it a buy grade. On the same day, Bank of America Securities also upgraded Apple but gave it a negative grade. Earlier, on Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Bank of America Securities rated Apple as neutral with a hold action. Moving back, on Monday, December 18, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade but with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, December 14, 2023, Citigroup rated Apple as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a general rating of strong buy. They have also assigned a strong buy rating to the PE ratio and price to book. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating as well. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Apple stock. The Apple stock currently holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This gives us a positive forecast for the stock. However, it's important to note that the stock has a general sell signal from the relation between these two signals. The long-term average is currently above the short-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $188.78 and $190.95. If the stock breaks down below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. Additionally, we have a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It's important to closely monitor the stock in light of this. We've also seen some negative signals being issued, which may influence the near short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 14, 2023, and so far the stock has fallen by -1.48%. It's likely to continue falling until a new bottom pivot has been found. Here are some other signals that may catch your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, this indicates a buy signal. Pivots, this suggests a sell signal 26 days ago. Bollinger, this indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, this indicates a buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, this indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, this suggests a buy signal 15 days ago. Now let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short Moving Average, this indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, this suggests a sell signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, this indicates a buy signal 41 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to explore more signals. Today, let's talk about Apple's support, risk, and stop loss. Apple has found support from accumulated volume at $188.63. This means that there is a potential buying opportunity when the support level is tested. We can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. Apple is known for being traded at a good volume, which means there is a healthy amount of activity in the market. Additionally, the stock experiences minor daily changes, indicating a low level of risk. On the last trading day, the stock moved $1.92, 0.99%, between its high and low points. This shows that the stock's price fluctuations are relatively small. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.5%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Apple, let's start by going over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio is a crucial measure of a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Apple's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is often observed in companies with established track records or consistent revenues. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Apple's Q4 2023 will be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.08. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be diving into potential day trading levels for Apple. When it comes to the upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for Apple, which is at $197.57. If you're not yet a shareholder, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering a position. However, for those who already own the stock, this could be an interesting level to explore for swing trading opportunities. Now, let's turn our attention to the downside. Apple encounters its first support level at $188.63. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the possibility of a rebound on the horizon. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Christ sold 5,513 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. bought 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 10, 2023, Condo Christ sold 4,806 shares of common stock as an insider. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be -21.459, indicating a negative trend. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $188.76, which represents a decrease of 3.29%. This particular stock exhibits minimal daily fluctuations, resulting in a lower risk investment. Additionally, a sell signal was identified from a pivot top approximately 25 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? While Apple holds several positive signals, we believe that it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. At its current level, we recommend considering it as a hold candidate, meaning you should hold or accumulate more shares while waiting for further developments. Despite some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, January 24, we anticipate that Apple will open down by $0.260 and start trading at $194.92. Before we begin, it's crucial to understand that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Also, let us know what your target is for this stock. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for watching.